Hello everybody, we're back here. We're in Gibtown, as you can tell here. So it's a trade show, everything related to the carnival business, from food to rides and absolutely everything in between, from food vendors. So you're gonna check out some amazing booths inside. So let's come on in, we'll go inside and we'll have a little kind of mini series with the different things. So let's go here. Hey guys, amazing. We're inside over here. And so we're gonna take a look at some amazing booths here. Now this is what we're talking about for making a splash, and it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. You will see some of the best booths you could possibly make, from tents to trailers to everything, top of the line, state fair worthy. So let's see what we can draw upon and that you can implement in your booth. So if it's from a signage, maybe ordering, from lights, from anything that you can do. So let's take a peek at these couple of stands here. They're absolutely fantastic and great. Yeah, so we got our lemonade stand. As you can tell, it is really, really nice. It has the big signage, has the LED light, has sticking out here with the music, with the light, the refills. I mean, this is like over the top. But just imagine if you can take, one of these signs over here, okay, like this one, put it on the side of the operation, or this, having the nice things, covering the garbage cans, doing absolutely everything. So, and the music might be super loud here, but as you can tell, it's really neat and nice. Like a lemonade, like a limeade. This. Look at that, iced tea, banners, and absolutely everything. I mean, that's just like, wow. You set this up, you're gonna have a line out the door with the lemonade. Everybody that ever thought about getting a lemonade, an iced tea, or anything will buy from you. Let's come on over here as well. It's a little bit kind of hard to see. You might do it but with the signs. So we have all kinds of signs, super bright, show lights. Just imagine putting maybe like this one, free this or your name with the light and everything. Super nice toys. You can do any type of lighting. Look at this one over here with the show, with the LED. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's move on and let's check out some more, from digital menu boards and absolutely everything.